Hey everybody, I hope you all had a great weekend. We're going to start the new week, July 10th, with the space weather. Okay, guys, extreme space weather is coming in. So I'm just going to read to you what it says right here. It says NOAA, National Oceanic Atmospheric Association, forecasters have increased the odds of a flare to 40% M and 5% X in response to developments inside the sunspot AR3361. So I don't know what's going on with AR3361 because, we've just really been busy all week. So the active region in an increasingly unstable beta gamma delta magnetic field that harbors energy for strong explosions. So it's going to be a nasty little guy. All right, let me go over here. I say little, but they're like 5 times the size of the planet or something. These spots are huge. All right, so the solar winds are blowing 376 kilometers a second. We have primary C-class flares, obviously the increased chances of M and X, but our neutron count is 2.2% below the maximum, so it's still down. But our geomagnetic activity has been insane, and I have had a headache all weekend. And my husband, say hey, my husband was like freaking dizzy, and so that's why he's laying down right now. So, all right. So, So the increased chances of M, they've got a 35% increased chance of M in the next 24 to 48 hours and a 10% increased chance of X in the next 24 to 48 hours. So, 1% chance of X. I went dyslexic and read it backwards in the next 24 to 48 hours. We have 20% a chance of geomagnetic activity in the next 24 to 48 hours in the mid-latitudes and a 20% severe percent geomagnetic activity at the poles in the next 24 to 48 hours. Let's see for the 12th. They've got one asteroid on the radar at 7.4 lunar distance, so it's like 7.5 moons away, nothing close. All right. Now, they said on the 12th and 13th, I'm sorry, for the 10th, July 11th, or July 10th. You have to forgive me. I have been like insane. I'm going to college too, and so I've been doing papers, and so forget it. The 10th, let me go look at those asteroids again for the 10th, and not the 11th and 12th. The 10th is going to be what we're dealing with, and there's 2 on the radar, but they're even further away, 18 lunar distance respectively. Okay, so now they said for the 12th and 13th we're supposed to have this insane geomagnetic activity, which can cause headaches and dizziness and nausea. It can mess up the power grid and your satellite disruption. So we had some that wasn't as bad as we're supposed to get, some over the weekend. And a friend of mine sent me a text message on Friday. I got it on Sunday morning, like around 7, and she sent it like Friday afternoon at 3. And it showed up Sunday morning. And so my mom's like, oh, your sister hasn't messaged me back yet. I'm like, Mom, she's up in Ohio and she may not even have the message yet. So, just expect weird in the next few days because geomagnetic activity messes up all kinds of stuff. So that's why I always tell you, if you don't need it, unplug it, because it really does make a difference. And so hydrate, stay shaded, check on your plants and your animals, your elderly and infirmed. And I have a great new week, guys. It's going to be a busy one for the space weather. So, just mind that. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.